तस्वीरें भी दिखाएंगे, लेकिन सवाल यह है कि क्या जो कार्रवाई है वो चल पाएगी, क्योंकि आप देखिए कि एक पैटर्न जो है विपक्ष ने अपना लिया है। ठीक संसद की कार्रवाई शुरू होने से पहले मकर द्वार पर पहुंचकर प्रदर्शन करते हुए, प्रोटेस्ट करते नजर आए हैं, और अब संसद के अंदर भी शायद वैसी ही तस्वीर सामने आए। और देखना होगा, क्योंकि संसद की कार्रवाई अब शुरू होने वाली है, क्या यहाँ पर भी कल की तरह ही आज का दिन भी रहने वाला है। कल 2 बार सदन की कार्रवाई जो है स्थगित हुई और उसके बाद मंगलवार तक के लिए, मतलब आज तक के लिए स्थगित कर दिया गया था, और अब जो शीतकालीन सत्र है उसका दूसरा दिन है। सवाल यह है कि अगर इसी तरह से विपक्ष हंगामा करता रहा तो जो चर्चा है वो कैसे हो पाएगी। SIR को लेकर लगातार विपक्ष का जो प्रोटेस्ट है वो नजर आया है, और अब लोकसभा की और राज्यसभा की जो कार्रवाई है वो शुरू होगी। 11 बजे शुरू हो गई है सदन की कार्यवाही।
मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची के क्रम संख्या 1A पर मेरे नाम के समक्ष उल्लेखित कामकाज सदन में पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्रीपद यशो नायक जी।
सर माननीय सभापति जी, मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में अपने सहयोगी श्री पंकज चौधरी जी के नाम के सामने मत संख्या 1ख पर वर्णित कागजात आपके अनुमति से सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्री संतानु ठाकुर जी।
Honorable Chairman sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the serial number 3 mentioned against my name, the revised list of business.
श्रीमती निबूबन जयंतीबाई बम्बानिया।
माननीय सभापति महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 1D पर अपने नाम के आगे उल्लिखित कागजात हिंदी और अंग्रेजी में सभा पटल पर रखती हूं। धन्यवाद।
मैसेजवरम लोकसभा सेक्रेटरी जनरल।
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to report that the Lok Sabha, at its sitting held on the 1st December 2025, passed the Manipur Goods and Services Tax Second Amendment Bill 2025. The Speaker has certified that the bill is a money bill. I lay a copy of the said bill on the table.
Report of the Committee on Government Assurances, Dr. M. Tambidurai.
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to present the 79th report, English and Hindi, of the Committee on Government Assurance listed at serial number 2 today, revised list of business. Thank you, sir.
Reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Finance through Eram Venkatasubba Reddy Garu.
Sir, I rise to lay a copy of the 2 reports, Hindi and English versions of the Standing Committee on Finance, as mentioned against my name in today's list of business, sir. Thank you, sir.
Reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Communication.
सदन के पटल पे रखा है।
माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, मैं आपके माध्यम से माननीय मंत्री जी से पूछना चाहता हूं, वर्तमान में उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार में सहकारिता क्षेत्र में मजबूत करने के लिए अनेक कदम उठाए गए हैं, जा रहे हैं। इसी क्रम में BBSL, SSL के माध्यम से विभिन्न बीजों पर क्या काम चल रहा है?
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, हम सबको पता है कि देश में तकरीबन 8 लाख सहकारी संस्थाएं हैं और देश में उससे सीधे 30 करोड़ लोग सदस्य के तौर पर इस सहकारी
that directed by the chairman, one woman member from amongst the members of the House to be a member of the Central Supervisory Board constituted under the said Act.
Motion moved Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Statement by Minister Srimati Nimbuben Jayantibai Bambania.
माननीय सभापति महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 6 पर अपने नाम के आगे सूचीबद्ध विवरण जो खाद्य और सार्वजनिक वितरण विभाग, उपभोक्ता मामले, खाद्य और सार्वजनिक वितरण मंत्रालय से संबंधित भारत में चीनी उद्योग एक समीक्षा के बारे में संबंधी संसदीय स्थायी समिति के 32वें प्रतिवेदन में की गई सिफारिशों के कार्यान्वयन की स्थिति के बारे में वक्तव्य सभा पटल पर रखती हूं। धन्यवाद।
Honorable members, 21 notices have been received today on 5 different subjects under Rule 267. Since none of these notices received today are in adherence to the requirement of the rules and the directions imparted by the Chair on 8th December 2022 and 19th December 2022, I am not admitting any of these notices. Matters raised with permission. Now matters raised with permission. Professor Manoj Kumar Jha. Professor Manoj Kumar Jha.
माननीय सभापति महोदय, माननीय सभापति महोदय,
कुमार मित्तल,
मैं आपके माध्यम से एक महत्वपूर्ण विषय की ओर आपका ध्यान आकृष्ट करना चाहता हूं। माननीय सभापति महोदय, माहौल नहीं है, फिर भी मैं कहना चाहता हूं। फिर भी मैं कहना चाहता हूं।
राज्यों में उपलब्ध किया जा रहा है।
अध्यक्ष जी, आज देश में BBSL
वर्जन पढ़ाया जाए। प्रियम्बल इसलिए कि सर समता, समानता भावों को लोगों तक पहुंचना चाहिए। इस भाव में अवरोधक बहुत है। आप स्वीकार करेंगे कि इस देश में सामाजिक सौहार्द, बंधुत्व और समता की बातें अपने न्यूनतम पायदान पे है। मैं माननीय सभापति महोदय, साथ ही आपसे आग्रह करूंगा कि एनिहिलेशन उसको सरकारी पक्ष को भी ये समझना होगा कि जब तक समता और बंधुत्व हम स्थापित नहीं करेंगे तब तक बहुत मुश्किल होगी। इस देश में विद्यालयों में अलग अलग जातिगत उत्पीड़न के केसेस हैं। वैसे माहौल में एनिहिलेशन ऑफ कास्ट, इन दोनों का समराइज्ड लोगों तक पहुंचाया जाए। ये किसी भी प्रार्थना से मैं आपके माध्यम से आपसे अपेक्षित है शोरगुल में मुझे फिर मौका दिया जाए।
Now, Dr. Ashok Kumar Mittal.
धन्यवाद महोदय। आज मैं सदन का ध्यान एक ऐसे मैं सरकार से निवेदन करूंगा कि वो SIR के मुद्दे पे चर्चा के लिए
Nothing will go on record except Ajit Kumar. He is seated, no? Doctor. Next is Dr. Fauziya Khan. Dr. Fauziya Khan.
Sir, House is not in order. House is not in order, sir.
Fauziya Khan is not.
House is not in order.
Fauziya Khan, you want to speak or not? You tell me. You speak.
I can't.
Why you are worried about them? You speak.
I cannot, sir.
Speaking, why you are interviewing?
Sir, we want to demand discussion on SIR. Please listen to that, sir. Please listen to our demand.
Fauziya Khan, you address to me.
On electoral reform,
You address to me.
We need a discussion on that immediately. Sir, please take discussion on SIR. Everybody wants that, sir. Sir, everybody is protesting for discussion on electoral reform.
No, now,
We need that urgently.
Fauziya Khan, you want to speak on the subject, you speak.
Sir,
Otherwise, I am going to call the next person. No, I am not going to listen to you. I am not going to listen to you other than the subject.
Sir, kindly listen.
No. Dr. V. Shivadasan.
Respected Chair, my topic is the attack of wild animal, but I believe the union government is trying to attack the voters and the people of the nation.
No, Sri.
This is the topic.
No, Sri. Nothing will go on record other than the subject. Sri, I am going to call the next person. If you don't want to talk on the subject, I am going to call the other person. No, whether you have to stick to your subject or otherwise, I am not going to allow you to speak. Nothing will go on record. Nothing will go on record other than the subject. You want to talk, you talk about the subject. Otherwise, I am going to call the next speaker.
So I am asking to you, sir.
No.
Initiative for the discussion on SIR.
No, not at all.
The wild animal attack is my topic. The government is trying to attack the people of the nation.
You want to speak, you speak about the subject. I am giving you the last chance. I am giving you the last chance. If you want to speak on this, otherwise I am going to.
I am telling wild animal attack is serious.
Vice, Shri Birendra Prasad Vice.
Sir, thank you very much. I am here today on behalf of people of Assam, on behalf of my party, Assam Gana Parishad, and my party president, Atul Bora, supporting demand by the sixth community of Assam, Thai, Ahom, Moran, Motak, Kush, Tea community, to Jalkep, Scheduled Assam. This community is indigenous tribe of Assam, and they are the soil of the soil. Their demand is justified, so I am supporting their demand. I like to request to Jalkep these six communities of Assam. In the year 1968, in the year 1968, when India was ruled by the British government, then British government described them in Gazette Note Binding as a tribal community. Like Simon Commission also recommended and granted them tribal status, sir. So this community of Assam, Thai, Ahom, Moran, Motak, Kush, and Sikh community, their journey is very justified, genuine demand. They fulfill all the criteria to get the SP status, but it is dependent upon the willingness of government. Everything is dependent upon the government. So I humbly request the government to grant the status of the 6 communities of Thai, Ahom, Moran, Baka, Sutia and Sikh community immediately should get the tribal status, and I hope and I believe government will grant it. Government will bring the bill in the present and this business will please conclude. This bill will pass and this system will get fixed. Thank you.
Now, honourable members, on behalf of this House, I have great pleasure in welcoming His Excellency Mr. Salva Papu Silvi, Chairman of the Parliament of Georgia and members of the parliamentary delegation who are on the visit to India as our honoured guest. Parliamentary committee has come. You please sit on your. I am calling him. You let me complete this welcoming them. You ask them to sit, all of you. You please sit. I am going to call. No. A delegation has come. I am going to read we are welcoming them. A delegation from Georgia has come. Let me complete. No, let me complete this. Chairman of the Parliament of Georgia and members of the parliamentary delegation who are on a visit to India as our honoured guests. We have strong bilateral relations with Georgia. The visit of Georgia parliamentary delegation will further strengthen our bilateral relations. The parliamentary delegation arrived in Delhi from Georgia on Monday, the 1st December 2025. They are now seated in.
और इसी के साथ आपको बता दें कि लोकसभा 12 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित कर दी गई है। और देखिए, ये जो एक सिलसिला है वो लगातार चलता हुआ, जो विपक्ष है वो लगातार हंगामा करते हुए, और जो एसआईआर की मांग है, जो एसआईआर को लेकर हंगामा है, वोट चोरी को लेकर जो हंगामा है वो करते हुए नजर आ रहा है।
Now it is Sri Trichy Siva.
I have a point of order.
There is so much of disturbance. What point of order can be taken up? No point of order can be taken up. No. You have to read. Otherwise, I am going to give the chance to the other member. No. Your own people are making this shouting here, and you are on the point of order. You tell me very clearly. You want to speak on the subject or not?
I want to speak, but before that I need an explanation.
No. How I can allow a point of order when everybody is shouting? There is no point of order. There is no order. Then what is the use of point of order? Let everybody go to their seat. Sit there. Then
they are going. They are going, sir. LOP. They are going to their seat.
Honorable member, I will tell you one thing. Nobody can take the house for granted. Everybody should go by the rules of the house.
By the rules. Everybody has to go by the rules.
Yes, then you are occupying the well, and what rules it is?
They have gone back. All of them have gone back.
Let them go to their seat and sit. Otherwise, you have to read in the.
Now house is in order, bro. Tell him. बैठ जाओ.
Allow point of order.
Mr. Chairman, all are in their respective.
No.
Sir, point of order.
Hello.
Point of order. Point of order, sir.
Mr. Tiwari, first of all, I let me come.
Yes. I I will give a chance to everyone, provided if you are in order.
Now they are in order.
Yeah.
You start. Sir, we have come here to speak only, sir. Sir, now they are disturbing.
Tell me
Now they are disturbing. Sir, this side is in order, sir.
Okay, you tell me the rule, or you want to speak on this?
Tell me the rule. He's saying, tell me the rule. Mr. Chairman, this side is in order.
So
let me.
Yes, as I am coming to you later, please. You tell the point of order.
Rule 239, sir. When for the purposes of explanation, during discussion or for any other sufficient reason, any member has occasion to ask a question under the consideration of the council, he shall ask the question through the chairman. Sir, my simple question is, sir, we all gave 267 notice, sir. You dispensed off with it. You didn't even tell what are the reasons why you dispensed off, in what reason the notice
the reason has been read out by me in my answer itself, and I am rejecting it. I have told you what are the reasons. There is no point of order.
Allow the LOP.
There is no point of order.
Allow the LOP to speak. Allow the LOP to speak.
सर वोट चोर सरकार चर्चा से क्यों भाग रही है?
Now, Ajit Kumar Bayan.
Respected Chairman, sir, for this mention, I'd like to draw attention to the prevailing situation in Tezpur University, Assam. Tezpur University is a central university which was established by an Act of Parliament in 1994. Its founding is considered one of the outcome of the Assam Accord signed in 1985. Since the last few months, the university has been witnessing dharna and protests against some omissions and commissions on the part of the university authority. The Vice Chancellor is not in university campus. For around 2 months, the students are staging dharna and protests, and no sincere attempt has been made to resolve the impasse. Several facts and information surfaced in the public domain regarding irregularities and corruption which are taking place under direct and tacit approval of the authority. The VC cannot escape responsibility simply by keeping away from the university campus. The need of the hour is to bring back the educational atmosphere to normalcy. For one individual, the highest temple of learning cannot be allowed to suffer. The government should be cautious in the matter of appointment of Vice Chancellor, and any extraneous considerations should not be pursued in appointing VCs. While expressing my anguish over the matter, I request the Honorable Minister of Education to step in and to take appropriate steps and restore the congenial atmosphere in the university. Thank you, sir.
Dr. K. Lakshman.
Thank you, Chairman, sir. This is the most important and